Hi, I'm Michael Mondragon from Nerdy Connections. Today we're going to take a photo and make it into line art in Photoshop. So let's see how that's done. And the first thing I'm going to do on this layer, let me name it type. So we want to get these letters out of here, but also get rid of the background, but make it line art. So I'm going to go to Image, I'm going to go to Adjustments, Black and White, and I'm going to make it black and white. Now I have some controls here that I could use, but I'm just going to click OK. I'm actually going to go do a Command L and go to my levels, and I'm going to, there's a big gap right here, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take out that. I'm going to move that to the left, and I'm going to move this one to the right. So what I'm doing is I'm making the whites the whitest, I'm making the blacks the blackest they can be. But what I'm doing is I'm doing it incrementally, where I can actually keep my lettering but also fill back in my blacks. Now you notice this bottom left part, that's going to be okay because we actually like that grain part of it. So another thing that I wanted to stress on this is that this is a high resolution picture. A lower resolution picture, you probably will not get the same effect. And when I say low resolution, I'm talking about a 72 dpi picture. I would suggest a 300 dpi picture for this. And let's go to my image size here. And this picture, if I constrain all of this, if I make this 300 dpi, you'll see that it's just under 10 inches high by 7. So let me click that, and now when I go into my filter gallery and go back to that graphic pen, you're going to see this great edge right here. So I'm actually making this line art. If I go up on it a little bit, you can actually see that it's really taken a lot out of there, and it was kind of a bitmap effect. So I'm going to push OK, and I'm going to scale up, and you can actually see how great the line art is here. And if I click off of this layer, that's what we started with. So we actually kept a lot of the detail, and you can actually take this and cut out the letters and really make your own typography out of it, or use it in some of your projects. But that is the way that you make line art in Photoshop.